In today's video, I'll show you how to add nicknames on Instagram chats. This is a fun way to personalize your DMs, whether it's sharing an inside joke, simplifying long usernames, or just making your chats more you. Let's dive in. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you haven't updated yet, head over to your app store and do that now. Once you're all set, open the Instagram app and go to your direct messages. Next, choose the conversation where you want to add a nickname. Now, at the top of the conversation, tap on the name of the chat. This will open the chat settings. In the settings menu, look for the option that says nicknames and tap on it. You'll see the usernames of everyone in the chat. To add a nickname, tap on the username of the person you want to give a nickname to. Type in your chosen nickname and hit save. By default, anyone you follow can change nicknames in the chat. But if you'd like more control, here's what you can do. On the top of the screen, you can see option Change Who Can Edit Your Nickname. Tap on it. Switch the option to Only Me, so only you can update nicknames in that chat. And that's it. Now you can add nicknames to make your Instagram DMs more fun and personal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.